Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. It's another hot and sweaty day. When will this heat wave end? I think this is day number 8 or 7, I do not know. Every day it's above 30 degrees, so actually it's not the time for making Sudokus or solving Sudokus. Anyway, I need to catch up because we have a lot of Sudokus today. But only one regular Sudoku today. Today, one regular medium Sudoku in the daily newspaper of Thursday, August the 13th, 2020. Yes, one regular Sudoku, but there are also extra Sudokus in the additional. I think 5 extra Sudokus. Anyway, this Sudoku will be number 1337. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, so you can compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in the additional. The 1 star Sudoku has 27 printed numbers. I do not know how many digits, numbers in this Sudoku medium has. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 3 is 25, plus 2 is 27. So it's a 1 star Sudoku if you compare. So let's get started. We have a 3 in this row, a 3 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in this row we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row we have a 3 over there. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Let me choose another digit. We have a 4 in this row, a 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. There. Here we have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let me use another digit. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, or there. We see here also a 6, so no 6 there. So in one of these two boxes is a 6. In this row, we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In that row, we have a 6 over there. So in the middle row, the only place for the 6 should be there. That means in no. Let me see. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 8 and 6. No, 6 we have. 8 and 4. No, 4 we have. 8 and 2. 8 and 2. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2. No 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? The number. In this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in that box. Here also a 5, no 5 in this box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the in that row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes. First digit. Let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, the 3 in the 3 9. These two numbers. Wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see, yes. Second digit. How about these two numbers in this column? The two numbers are the 1 and the 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 8 and the 1. The 8 and the 1 are missing. We see here the 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in the last row for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 3 and 5. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the digit number 6. In this big square. Wait, 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 6 and 9. Yeah, 6 and 9 are missing in the middle column. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 2 numbers left, 4 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8? We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. And see you next time, probably with extra Sudokus. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye, see you soon.